Good morning. Here is a short morning ritual which is based on the 3 M's: movement, mindfulness and mindset. We'll go through the movement first and we'll do the mindset and the mindfulness together as well. So let's get to the front of the mat, hands alongside your body. Take your shoulders all the way up, forward and up to your ears and back down. Inhale up, exhale down. Move your elbows as well. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Change the rotation, so now backwards and up and forwards and down. Move them a couple times for yourself. Make the movements big, so you have an effect not only on your shoulders but also on your upper back. And done. Alright, sun salutations. 2 sun salutation A. On an inhale, take your hands all the way up towards the sky. And exhale, bend forwards, placing your hands on your shins or on the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step back into a plank. And then place your knees on the mat, then your chest and then your chin. Inhale, cobra. Gazing forwards with a soft gaze. And exhale, come back down. Push yourself up into downward dog. Breathe. Three. Two. And 1. Bend your knees slightly, step or walk between your hands. Halfway lift, look up. Exhale, bend forwards. Inhale, take your hands all the way up, look into your thumbs. And exhale, hands come back down. Alright, second one. Inhale. Exhale, bend forwards. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step or hop back to plank. Come down, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward dog. 3. Push your hips up towards the sky. 2. Keep your fingers spread wide. And 1. Exhale first, bend your knees slightly, step or hop between the hands, look up. Exhale, bend forwards. Inhale, take your hands all the way up, look into the thumbs. And exhale, Samastiti. Okay, we're going into a little breath flow. Take your hands in front of your chest. We'll do some box breathing, so 4 seconds in, 4 seconds break. Then 4 seconds out, 4 seconds break. And we'll do that 4 rounds. Exhale first. Inhale through the nose. 2, 3, 4. Pause. 2, 3, 4. Exhale through the nose. 2, 3, 4. Pause. 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Pause. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. Pause. 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Pause. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. Pause. 2, 3, 4. Last round. 2, 3, 4. Pause. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, pause, 2, 3, 4. Hands in front of your chest, chin towards your fingertips. Take a deep inhale in through the nose. Exhale out through the mouth. Let it go. Alright, it's time for the short flow. Hands alongside the body. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, bend forwards. Inhale, halfway lift, look up. Exhale, step or hop back to plank, come down. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take your right foot up and back, step between your hands. On the inhale, come up into crescent lunge. Exhale here. Now inhale, reach up. Exhale, cactus arms, come down. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, come down. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, come down. 2 more times. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, come down. Inhale, come up. And exhale, reach down. Inhale, come all the way back up. Now exhale, come into your warrior 2. Take a deep inhale here. And a long breath out. Inhale, reverse the warrior. And a long breath out. Inhale, extended side angle. And a long breath out. Inhale, come back up into warrior 2. And then windmill your hands forwards. Go back to downward facing dog or join me at the flow. Come down. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, take your left foot up and back. Exhale, step between the hands. Inhale, crescent lunge. And exhale here. You know the deal now. Inhale here. And exhale, cactus arms. Inhale, come up. Exhale, cactus arms. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, come back up. And exhale, come into warrior 2. Take a deep inhale here. And a long exhale. Inhale, reverse the warrior. Exhale here. Inhale, extended side angle. And a long breath out. Inhale, come all the way back up. And exhale, windmill your arms forwards. Join me for the flow or get into downward facing dog. Inhale, a dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Okie dokie. Now step or jump between your hands. Inhale, look up. Exhale, bend forwards. Inhale, come all the way up. Look into the thumbs. And exhale, Samastitihi. Feet hip wide apart. Hands on your hips. Inhale. Straighten up your chest. And exhale, bend forwards. Exhale fully. Put your upper body on your legs. You can bend your knees if you need to. And grab your toes. Inhale here, look up. And exhale, come into the pose. Crown towards the mat. You can keep your knees bent. And if you want to, you can start playing here with straightening out your legs a little bit more. Long inhales and exhales through the nose. That is 2. 1 more. And exhale here. Plant your hands on your hips on the inhale. Come all the way back up. And exhale, feet together. Now, we get to a seated pose. Either cross your legs or keep your legs in front of you, whatever fits best with your body. Underarms on your knees, thumbs and pointers together. Look on the mat in front of you. Take a deep breath in through the nose and exhale out the mouth. You may close your eyes, keep your shoulders low and keep your back straight. Chin towards your chest. If you got your eyes closed or you're looking in front of you, start breathing slowly through the nose. Now it's time for the second part of this 3-part morning routine, which is mindfulness. Take a few slow and deep breaths through the nose. You can make this part as long and as short as you like, but I'd like to continue now with the third part, which is mindset. While being quiet in yourself, ask yourself, what do I need today? Then be quiet and listen. Don't do anything else. Don't try to answer that question for yourself. Listen to what your body or your mind needs today. Use that knowledge as an intention for your day. For example, you might need some extra relaxation today. You might need some extra connection today. Whatever your body or your mind responded back to you, use that as the intention. So now, while I've been doing this, you've done some movement, you've done some mindfulness, you can keep continuing after this class, and you've done some mindset work. Anyway, I hope this helps. This is one of the morning routines that I really try to use in my own daily life. I hope you've conquered some of your brain fog and know what you're going to do the rest of your day. I hope you have a great one and I'll see you again on the mat soon. Cheers.